Christmas Sparkle is the title of an Artful card kit from hot off the press, and it has all the things that are here. It has 35 die cuts, 6 double-sided papers. I'll show you. The other thing that this has, as with all hot off the press products, are ideas for using the contents of the package, and that's just so very helpful. And then there's some artwork showing you what's in the package. In addition to the photographs, there's also a brief description of how those projects were created. So let me show you the papers. As I said, they are double-sided. Now with that great big deer, that may or may not work for your project. If it doesn't, just trim around it and you can get your multiple cards out of this paper. There's the back side with lots of deer. And this one has text as well as the beautiful poinsettias. You can see we've got, whoops, Merry Christmas all over that one. And then we have some sparkly. We've got this in 3 different colors. Green is one. Here are some more of those special greetings. Then we've got a row of poinsettias, beautiful, and some swirls on the back side. More poinsettias, as you would expect. And there's the red of the sparkly look, and there's the gold of the sparkly look. And there's the back side of it. Now, the die cuts come like this. They are on a lightweight cardstock. They are all die cut. Some of them are nested where there's a center one, and they pop out just as easily as I just did that one. And you can see there's borders. The ones that are blank are really there. You can use them as they are, or you can put dazzles, you can stamp, you can do whatever you want. Just gives you some added embellishment. So that's one sheet. Here is the other sheet, and as I said, many of these have multiple die cuts in them. Now, whoops, and they do come out just that easily. So let me show you some of the projects. Here is one. This is using 2 of the papers. We'll get in a little bit closer just so that you can see. So there is the swirl, there is that border, and then these are the die cuts that have been layered, and then there's the die cut. Add a ribbon, add a flower. If you have those, that will work. Here is another very fun way to do it. So take your card and fold it in half, just the front of it in half. And then you can use one of those strips like this. Just glue it here and glue it here. Let these 2 pieces fold. And then you can put one of the frame die cuts as one of the circle die cuts. Isn't that a really fun look? You can hide this circle die cut by positioning that right over it. Add flowers, ribbons if you like, and it just creates a beautiful card. Here is another. Now this is on a circle base covered with the paper as well as a scallop base. Add a ribbon, add a flower, tie it with a ribbon, and you are good to go. Make a really sweet, not only Christmas ornament, but also a package tie, or you could put this on a card. Just makes it really, really nice. So this is what we have for the Christmas Sparkle. Now sometimes people want to know, how many cards can you get out of a package? Well, we have seen people do easily 12 cards, but you can get far more. So it's very good value. You do need the blank cards as a surface to apply the papers, because the papers are not sturdy enough to be by themselves. Besides, you want to be able to do some very fun things like this one.